fam and fellow purveyors of all things rad. Ryan Haake here at DCD Customs. Just introing you to today's episode. We got Lite Brite Part 2. So we're getting that Hemi fired up and then slide some axles underneath that beast along with some sick wheels and tires. As well as Kevin's birthday. You know, little birthday festivities for the guy. Happy birthday, Kev. And then, shoot, just prepping for our Rubicon Trail run next week. So, yeah, we're excited. Hope you enjoy the episode, and I'll see you at the end. All right, enjoy. Nah, come here. The excitement is real. As he eats his ribs. And she films, and I was totally standing right in front. I apologize. What? Huh? Yeah, what's going on? Everyone's filming everybody, dude. I know, what is this thing? Is that a live?
it's a live cat.
Yeah. Marriage.
That was over 2 hours ago.
I didn't get the memo. I'm busy working on the beat.
Gang!
Wow.
Dink.
That was sick. Oh man.
Their confidence is going high.
500 horsepower beast. Guys, can my wife and I have a time alone for a few minutes?
What do you mean? You are alone. We're all in this together.
Yeah, we're all in this. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dudes. No, we're not. No.
Body is dropped. Everything lined up. They are stoked. So are we. So is Mad. Yeah, dude.
Making the shot too pretty. Woo! Actually, let's look down with 33s on.
Good work, sir. Bam. Yeah. 3 days.
Hey, bartender goes to the bar and says, "Can I have 4 beers?"
I'm like falling in love with our Jeep all over again. No?
Wait. Are you sure? Are you
I don't think he's qualified for this. That's not working. That's stiff, man. That's stiff.
You know what else is
What's
stiff?
going on, dude?
What's up?
Yeah.
We're back in the light.
Back in act. Oh my God.
Grinder. Hey, it's my birthday. You know what that means?
That's right.
I got birthday sex.
Oh.
Hey,
Happy birthday, brother.
Thanks, babe. Thanks for the birthday sex, babe.
You.
I'm a good wife.
Everyone's happy here.
no wonder he's in a good mood.
Look at the size of those freaking knuckles.
Yes. 1550.
Jesus. So what you're saying is Kevin can do all the four-wheel burnouts you could ever want to do. At least without concern of the axle.
What's this?
On a kind of a stand, and then we can go over, you can kind of do a rundown of like some of the cool basics, and then we'll reiterate it too as we
smash that, you have way bigger problems.
Okay, okay.
Let's go into big hitters, right? The obvious things, right? The big, massive knuckles, right? Especially in engineering and design, so then you can provide very little scrub, minimal to zero scrub.
So you're talking about basically your steering acumen in the front.
That's right. So then the pattern of these tires, right? So when you're now we gotta raise it up more. I mean, sorry. Drop some more.
That little baby.
Taco.
I see your Schwartz is as big as mine. Danny wins. Oh God, jelly! Jelly! 80.
What's up, dude?
The 80s are back.
I know.
The 80s are so. That's why we went with the 80. It's because
You're
retro
80.
80s are back.
Who doesn't love the 80s? Come on, man.
Ab loves the 80s. Huh? Yeah.
It's cool. Like I used to have a brown Aussie.
Oh, Aussies are amazing,
They're
man.
awesome, man.
Such good dogs.
Yeah. Coolest dog I ever had.
In and out.
Never leave the leash.
They're better off lead than on.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Like it's
That's same.
crazy.
When I had a leash on mine, it would go crazy.
Yeah.
So I never had a leash. And then my Aussie,
Oh, on
if I
jelly?
go to the store, I say, you stay right here. Don't move. I can go in the store, grab
And come back out.
Come back out, and you'll still be sitting right
I
there.
could probably
Mav's
have
the same.
Jelly,
Yeah.
except someone would steal her.
Yeah, that's right. She's
People threaten
grab
to-
and go.
People threaten to steal her
Yeah.
all the time.
I can imagine that.
Yeah.
I mean, that's harder to steal.
Never
gonna let this guy get
stolen.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man? Looking freaking awesome. Oh my God. Badass.
Looking pretty freaking sick.
Dude, you must be so stoked.
I am. There's still so many like little things to do.
All these little odds and ends.
Yeah. Yeah, there's tons of little things to do.
Well, you'll be wheeling in no time, brother.
Oh yeah. Yep. We are almost there.
Alright, so we're at the sushi spot, and for birthdays, it literally turns into a crazy ass light show. Kevin has no idea what's about to happen.
If I can set this girl up for the future. What are you guys?
Yeah!
What are those?
Happy birthday!
Yes. We've been clubbing. Oh.
And you thought Hemi was going to be the best part of your day.
It would have been if I could have driven it. But I didn't get to drive it. But this awesome. Oh my god, that is deep fried. That's temper.
I'm in the DCD Customs Outback and I've come across a wild beast. Looks like he's contemplating life.
I'm trying to go through my notebook here, but
what's up?
Another one.
Maybe not. He doesn't like when a camera's in his face because it kind of makes him a little nervous. So hopefully he doesn't realize that. Oh, hey Neil. How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah. So there's no camera here. What exactly did you end up doing to DCD1 to get it all trail ready?
We changed the gearbox to a non-HD gearbox, readjusted the ram, and put new unit bearings on the front.
Unit bearings. Nice. Right on. DCD1 is back on all fours. Pretty much ready to go. Hit the Rubicon next week. It's going to be a good time. Steering's all dialed in. Suspension. All that good stuff. Got the stickies on there. Oh. God. Who doesn't love this freaking rig? This thing is so sick. Can't wait to hammer down with Davo this week. It's going to be a good time. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Lite Brite Part 2. We're bummed to see them go, but we're stoked to see them having a good time with their new setup. Can't beat Hemi power. And yeah, prepping for the Rubicon. So the next episode will be us on the Rubicon, tearing it up, having a good time. Well, actually not tearing it up, treading lightly, because we want to continue to do this. But yeah, so thanks again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe by hitting that red button down there, and share so other people get to find us. But yeah, thanks again. We appreciate you, and we will see you at the next, actually not at, but on the next episode. All right, Jeep fam and fellow purveyors of all things rad, see you later.